currently 12:41, Saturday the 18th, April 2023. The 12:44 Eastman's Road for Peterborough to Doncaster. The 12:52 is 8 minutes today. And I wonder why. I was expecting a 12:57 out 12:59. Like last weekend, we do not have roadworks between here and Boston. That was last weekend. So the linkers went on the different platform. Probably like mostly platform 2 all day. Most likely. But now they're back to normal running. There we go. They're back to normal running now. Speaking of, here's the bus train approaching. 517. Doncaster. $12.52, $12.58. Let's get these up, shall we? $12.57 the delay, $12.52 Eastman's Road from Nottingham to Skegness. A train is approaching, everybody. So to 202. Skegness. No, not 19. 1304 to 1304, Eastman's Road from Doncaster to Peterborough. Right, so that time there, he's already delayed. He's probably delayed now by approximately 20 minutes when he gets out again. Then he just arrived on his platform at Nottingham. He is 43 minutes late in, probably 20 minutes later out. Or more. Because when the 0857 was heavily delayed, that means the 1113 was delayed. Then that means now the 1355 is now delayed, which will also retaliate on the 1614, which also might retaliate on the 1854 as well. So 2 and 7 could be delayed nearly an whole entire day with its services going back and forth. And the train's approaching. One 7272. Peterborough. Right, there we go. Little bit of a race delay there. People go past the red lights by cars. It's all the way over there. The 1313 Eastman's ready. There's a bee on me now. The 1313. Oh god. The 1313 Eastman's went from Skegness to Nottingham. The 1355 is now 22 minutes delayed. It's now expected at 14:15. The exact time the Skegness Nottingham's here. Wow. I'll move over here because I don't trust the traffic.
Yeah. But what I hate is
Sounds like a siren. enclosure's so long here today for some reason.
Actually, Andrew, innit? It's Andy. God, you walk so fast. Right, we're going to stay down the fair for a bit and watch Nadine and that.
1412 to 1416 is one of the rides from Nottingham. Skegness to Nottingham.
Hello, I'm Joshua's mum.
Shut up.
Hey, shut up. Beat you in. I won't technically beat you in. I'll be child abuse. Well, I'll sit over here then and roll a fag. Love you. I'll see you.
Right, Fortune. 423. T22, the heavily delayed 1354 Eastman's Valley series from Nottingham to Skegness. 407. It's getting nice. Let's see if we actually can speed up. Minutes late out of here. $14.33, the $14.34 is not right from Lincoln Central to Peterborough, which we went down a bit too late for. There's the station, so this should be a pretty quick one. Already approaching, not even a minute in. Also 75.3. Peterborough. $14.38. Surprise. The $14.42 smells range from Peterborough to Doncaster. 1801, the 1800 East Midlands Railway, so from Nottingham to Skegness. Ooh, Joy Simmons 10 minutes late back. What time did he get into Nottingham then? He got in 33 minutes late. Stop there, I believe, then. What's 7202? Skegness. So for the extreme late start, didn't know coming going back on. He's a bit early. In. Go. 1816 to the 1822 East Midlands Railway, so for Skegness to Nottingham. It's a little bit early in. $18.21 apparently. I think we went down a little bit too. Oh my! All the way over there he is. Well, I didn't know they were coming back on that early. Speed demon here. Too far. For Nottingham. Oh god, that was close. 1831 to 1832, smudge red from Lincoln Central to Peterborough. Should have hangmanned it. ran it though. Don't know why they didn't. You ready yet? You've been in here for like 2 minutes now. Supposedly you were early. You left Rusky 2 minutes early. Yeah, and what if a person wanted to get on that extra 2 minutes? Couldn't stay there. No, you didn't. You have to leave like leave like 2 minutes early. Like Merringham, I don't think you would leave 2 minutes early. If you were actually early, you'd probably leave on time. Level 10. D delay 1854 Eastman's Road from Nottingham to Skegness. For some weird apparent reason, 43 hasn't even left Skegness yet. Right. When will he? Otherwise he's cancelled to join on with the 2016, which will be at Skegness pretty much very soon. Or just 1 minute. Might couple on if he hasn't left there yet. So also it is 207, which is actually not very delayed this time. Just under 10 minutes delayed. He might get on time back. So he's improving. Also it is 207. Skegness. Okay. Nice, you guys. Oh, right, okay. Skegness will have to be kept back here then. 1907, the 1911 Eastman's Road from Peterborough to Doncaster. May your attention please on platform 2. The 1915 Eastman's Railway service to Nottingham is currently being delayed by approximately 45 minutes. This service may double up and be cancelled. Terminate at Boston, double up with the 2016 off to Nottingham, or it will run its full route. Excuse me, you passed the red light. Who said you could go where that light's red? Don't know how that works, but it works. Probably saw the
Fire brigade man.
but then?
The fire brigade man.
Oh yeah. But still under the wrong name though. And there's a train approaching on the other line. 272. For Doncaster. I'm surprised how we even got out before that. Oh. So this game nest must have went on the other platform then. We'll have a look at the departure board. Now. Right, so we've got 5 trains to get through within the next 20 to 30 minutes. 1950, hang on, approaching 1956 to 1956 Eastman's Railway, Eastman's Railway service from Nottingham to Skegness. He's going to be held more, and then he's going to be held there if we don't switch it on to 3. Because he wants to. But then that Peterborough will take a long time as well, so. Maybe not a long time. But you're also keeping back this train as well. The joys of delayed Nottingham keeping back another Nottingham. The joys of that. He's delayed, but expected to get in 1 minute late. Oh, it's already here. 422. That was 1 out of the 5 trains that we needed to get through now between 20 to 30 minutes. Next one, C2008, Peterborough, Lincoln, everybody. Full barrel shot. Right, 2003D, 2008, much right from Peterborough to Lincoln Central. Who's honking now? What's 3510? Lincoln Central. Just don't know what's happening next now. honestly, I'm not just going to tell you the trades anymore. When the next trades are, you can figure them out yourselves with the next closure and then after that. Excuse me? The heavily delay 1915 East Road, just was getting to Nottingham. Or we can send the delay 2008 East Road from Sleaford Central to Peterborough out first. It kind of looks like we might. But then again, it's got a lot of passengers to deload and load. So we may as well just send the Nottingham in. So then we can't keep up that heavily, that delay 2016. I've caught a double. I don't think these have even doubled today. It's all just been singles. Peterborough wants out then. Peterborough's coming out first. Yep. So we're keeping that the every day 1915 on the 2016. If you want a government liar. Peterborough. Up we go. Not for long, we're going to send that heavily delay 1915 in. So we practically sent 3 trains before it. Even though it meant to come in anyways first. Now he's 60 minutes delayed. All done. There we go. Right, you practically now just made this an hour delayed. The time is currently 20:15. This will be for your heavily delayed 19:15 East Road from Skegness to Nottingham. Due to this service being an hour delay, you can get your delay recap via the Eastman Railway website. Sorry for the heavy delay this may have caused you. The people on platform 2 will board the 1915 service, but there will be no people for the 2016. It's all them closed, so that means trains approaching. An hour and a minute late in. Well, 70:43, which is an hour delayed. For Nottingham. 2022. The delay 2016 is moderated from Skegness to Nottingham. The reason for the delay is being stuck behind this train. That's just gone. Being 61 minutes late in, 64 out. So we spent a good total 4 minutes here. Supposed to be at Nottingham by now, but we kept it back for like 4 minutes here. We're gonna keep that 2060 back as well, like we did last time with that Leicester service. Well, the 1830 off to Leicester, practically then. Must be down to Leicester. Excuse me. No, we're not keeping them back here, Dan, okay? Right, okay. We're not keeping them back like we did last time with that Nottingham in 2 and Leicester in 3. We're not doing that again. Oh well. Last train of the day, 202. Going to get one from going wow. To Nottingham. Need to see the signal train, of course. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. No, it's got red out. Why are we even close that crossing then? Probably get a yellow in a minute.